Hello, myself Litesh Sunil Ingale. I am from Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation from Dr. Bajaj Ambedkar University. Then after that, I got to know about E-Vision TechnoServe. In E-Vision TechnoServe, I got the knowledge regarding my job, and also I got the knowledge regarding Linux administration, Windows troubleshooting, domain joining, and network related like that. Also IP addressing and MAC addressing. So there are many models which I learned in E-Vision TechnoServe, and there are they also guide me through the interview, and also they help me of mock interview. With the help of mock interview, I passed my interview in Bajaj Pvt Ltd company, and I got selected with 2.64 LPA as a service desk engineer. I got to know about many things in there, and also thank you E-Visions for supporting me. Thank you.